north side of San Antonio lies this beautiful property at 7938 Veleta. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and is 1,523 square feet. The neighborhood is very quiet and is also gated. Now, let's take a look inside. Upon entry, you'll notice this home's very open floor plan. The living room has a vaulted ceiling as well as a fireplace. There's also open access to this beautiful kitchen with tile flooring and updated appliances. The master bedroom is very spacious with a walk-in closet, and the master bathroom is very cozy with a spa-like walk-in shower. Both secondary bedrooms rival the master bedroom in space, and each are carpeted with walk-in closets as well. The backyard is just awesome. It has a privacy fence and a covered patio that's perfect for barbecues with family and friends. For a full report on this home or any home for sale, or if you'd like to do a free home search that's more accurate than what you find on the internet, log on to our website, give us a call, or send us a text. We're always happy to help.